You're lazy, and so am I. When it comes to cooking, I'm no chef. So here's exactly how to hit your protein goal without meal preps. Boiled eggs and cheese sticks, 2 of each, get you an easy 20 grams of protein. A super snack, Fairlife protein shake with a protein bar, easy 30 to 50 grams of protein right here. Some turkey jerky and some almonds, just a handful of these, they're really high in calories, is another great way to get some healthy fats and more protein in. Greek yogurt, berries, and a drizzle of honey is an easy way to get some protein that tastes really good as well. So follow for some more easy high protein snacks to grab on the go, just like this.